Hello everyone, I am starting this week strong with some yummy food once again provided by Eric's mother.
Who's that?
Yeah. Probably better if we pan fry it, but I just did not have space.
I heated up both the cheokbokum and mushrooms in the air fryer, and considering how I would normally pan fry them, it was surprisingly really good.
My mom used to make this often when I was a kid. No, maybe it's because I haven't had it in a long time. Plus the air fryer that makes it taste so good. I don't know which one it is. Are these all the mushrooms? No way, right?
No, it's only one mushroom out of 3. I'm thinking if I really like it, I might just, and we also have extra too. This isn't all of it. I'm thinking I might make like mushroom steak type thing.
Eric and I got Henry his unintentional Halloween costume, and this year he's going to be a loaf of bread. He actually didn't hate it as much as I thought he would, and he tends to just loaf around in the kitchen while I cook or make candles. I have been doing a deep dive on HBO's Studio Ghibli section, and I've knocked out Spirit Away and Ponyo, and today I'm watching my favorite, which is My Neighbor Totoro.
You're not bugs or mice either. They were black and they were all over the place.
So look.
I've been dedicating most of my time to my candle making, and you guys got to see a sneak peek at the peaches out of their molds last week.
She said you two can call her Granny if you like.
I'm Sakti, and that's May. Nice to meet you.
This week, I'm powdering them all up to make them have the pigmentation of a real peach, and it was actually really relaxing, and I like how each peach is unique.
Did you catch a fish?
Henry loves watching what I'm doing from afar, although I will say he just always has this really judgmental face on. A late night jappagetti always hits the spot, and I love jappagetti. It is so good. Like, it just hits different from regular ramyeon.
But like ramen always eventually burros. But if you make it already burroso, then that's like a problem, you know?
I will say, I always like my noodles a little bit on the line of al dente and perfect, but Eric likes them perfect to overcooked, and I don't understand. But how do you guys like your noodles? If you know me, you know that I love building things and solving puzzles and stuff, so making Legos is one of the most exciting things to do. This specific one is a limited edition that I've been looking for literally years. It's the Lego Architecture Collection, and this is the Farnsworth house.
Is it supposed to be this raised? No, right?
I'm gonna give it a really good guess and say no, but I appreciate the effort.
Why is it going in?
Nice!
I am super particular about which Lego projects I buy because I like them to be very minimal and modern in a way that complements my space. Honestly, it's just me being really picky about interior design and stuff, and wanting to have famous architectural homes that I studied when I was in design school.
We got 2 grappies and 2 bing bongs.
Yeah, you do the back, I'll do the front.
I love it when they have furniture or like cute little pieces that make it special.
Okay, now there's one that goes right here. Oh my god, these chairs are so cute.
Look at them.
Oh, they're facing, oh, it's a table.
Like, come on, tell me those chairs aren't the cutest thing you've ever
You
seen.
have to have another table right here. Oh my gosh, so cute! Okay, let's have If these people talk to each other, you know, these guys gotta talk to each other. And what, this guy's alone? He'll be looking outside.
There's probably gonna be more tables, no?
Yes. Are we missing a piece for real?
I'm like looking, yeah.
What piece are we missing? Oh my god! That is so cute.
It's the only piece that will ever fit there. That's
Should we leave him here?
yeah, the extra lever.
Or should we put him in there?
In here.
In here?
Because there's chairs. Oops.
That's true.
I will say though, the one thing that bothers me about this whole building process is that it's really hard to get the tiles all perfect and straight, so please don't come after me for the wonky tiles. I did the best that I could.
Okay. Oh my gosh! Is this right?
I mean, look at that beauty. I would totally live there. You guys have to Google real pictures of this place because it is literally heaven on earth. It's so pretty. I've started to develop a horrible sleeping schedule, and it's truly turned me into a person I can't even recognize anymore. So one night I had this brilliant idea of just pulling an all-nighter in hopes that it would help me sleep early the next night and fix my sleeping schedule. I'm just gonna admit right here that it didn't work, so don't even bother trying. But anyways, once it hit around 7 a.m, I decided to make myself some coffee, and I got some instant hazelnut coffee and mixed it with some sugar and hot water. I also have these super yummy chocolates that have like a pocket inside them filled with espresso, so I mixed the two together until the chocolate was all melted and the espresso was mixed in, and added some frothed milk at the end. And even though I made a mess the whole way through, it was really damn good. And if I ever decide to make this bad decision of keeping myself up ever again, I'll at least have this drink to look forward to. At around 10 a.m, I took me and my delusional head outside of my apartment to run some errands that I needed to do, and it was so weird being up and about at that time, especially being outside. I really wanted to go to this local Japanese market, so Eric and I decided to stop by, and it's this really small place filled with some pre-made food, Japanese beauty products, and a lot of groceries. We ended up picking up a spicy chicken sandwich, which ended up being so good, and also got a curry croquet. A drink recommendation I have is this Italian blood orange soda from Trader Joe's. It is so good, and if you like the blood orange San Pellegrino, you're going to love this stuff. During the day, I'm usually video chatting with my friend, catching up about our lives. I've been trying to be a little bit more productive during our sessions, so I started to cut up some paper that I dyed green for the leaves to put on the peach candles. I individually cut them, write on them, and attach them to each peach, making each one special, just like the peaches. One of the best midnight snacks is ramyeon, but what's even better is cup ramyeon because you don't actually have to do all the dishes, which is literally so amazing. But anyways, Eric and I indulged on some kimchi bowl noodles, and it was the best way to end my week. Here's a little feature of Henry's little paws protecting and overlooking our noodles as he should.
Pretty boy, you gotta go.
It was so good, and just looking at it, I want to eat it again. I wonder though, are you guys the kind of people that folds up the lid into a little bowl and eat it, or do you just eat directly from the bowl? Let me know. But I hope you guys all have a great noodle-filled week, because honestly, that's how it really should be. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!